The internet has gifted us many quirky phenomena, but few have captured hearts and laughter like fainting and screaming goats. These captivating creatures have become viral sensations, sparking curiosity about their peculiar behaviors. But what lies beneath the memes and videos? Let's delve into the reality of fainting and screaming goats to uncover the truth behind their fame. From their unique genetic quirks to their extraordinary vocal abilities, goats continue to amaze and amuse us with their fascinating traits. The mystery of fainting goats. Not all goats are prone to fainting. The spotlight belongs to a unique breed called the Tennessee fainting goat, also known as Myotonic, stiff-legged, nervous, or wooden-leg goats. Despite their dramatic falls, these goats aren't fainting from fear. Instead, their iconic collapses are caused by a hereditary condition known as Myotonia congenita. This rare condition has made these goats a source of fascination for researchers and animal lovers alike. This condition affects skeletal muscles, which are essential for movement. When these muscles contract voluntarily, such as during an attempt to flee a perceived threat, their relaxation can be delayed. This delayed relaxation causes the muscles to stiffen temporarily, rendering the animal momentarily immobile. Often, this muscle rigidity results in the goat toppling over, giving the appearance of fainting. Scientists studying Myotonia congenita have discovered it's not just confined to goats, but can occur in other animals and even humans. The trigger is typically a sudden stimulus, such as a loud noise or unexpected movement, which startles the goat. While the dramatic reaction may look alarming, the stiffened state only lasts for 5 to 20 seconds, and it doesn't cause lasting harm. However, these goats can experience stress if frequently frightened, so their well-being should always be a priority. Responsible owners ensure these goats are kept in safe, stress-free environments to avoid unnecessary distress. Origins of the Tennessee fainting goat. The history of fainting goats traces back to the early 1800s in Tennessee, USA. The precise origins of their condition remain a mystery. Some experts theorize that the genetic mutation causing Myotonia congenita may have arisen spontaneously, while others suggest it could have been introduced through crossbreeding with another goat lineage. Regardless of their origin, these goats have become an iconic part of agricultural history in the United States. Interestingly, Myotonia congenita is a recessive genetic trait. For a goat to exhibit this condition, it must inherit 2 copies of the gene, one from each parent. When Tennessee fainting goats are crossbred with other breeds, the condition usually doesn't manifest in the offspring, making the trait relatively unique to this particular lineage. This has made them a popular breed for enthusiasts who value their unusual and endearing behavior. Farmers historically found fainting goats useful for practical reasons. Their muscle rigidity and slower movements made them less likely to escape enclosures. Additionally, their inability to jump fences contributed to their appeal as livestock. Today, however, these goats are more commonly raised as pets or for entertainment, celebrated for their distinctive and charming quirks. Myotonia congenita in humans. Humans aren't immune to Myotonia congenita, which also affects them in 2 primary forms: Becker-type myotonia and Thomson disease. However, unlike in goats, the muscle stiffness in humans isn't typically triggered by fear. Instead, it's more associated with voluntary muscle use, such as gripping an object or running. Human cases often require careful management, including physical therapy and medication, to reduce symptoms and improve mobility. Research into Myotonia congenita has uncovered fascinating insights into muscle physiology. By studying the condition in animals like fainting goats, scientists have gained a deeper understanding of how muscle contractions work and how genetic mutations can disrupt normal processes. These findings have the potential to inform treatments for other muscular disorders, benefiting both humans and animals. Why do goats scream? While fainting goats steal the limelight with their dramatic tumbles, screaming goats have carved their niche with vocal antics. These goats are often heard screaming in viral videos, but their unique sounds are simply variations of their natural bleats. Their entertaining vocalizations have earned them a reputation as some of the most expressive animals in the barnyard. Goats communicate through a variety of vocalizations, and each goat has a distinctive voice. These bleats can vary in pitch, depth, and volume, depending on the individual and the situation. Goats bleat for numerous reasons: to signal danger, express hunger, indicate discomfort, or communicate with their herd. Mother goats, for instance, often call out to their young to guide or comfort them. Their ability to communicate effectively within their social groups highlights their intelligence and strong social bonds. Remarkably, goat vocal behaviors can evolve over time, much like human accents. A study conducted on pygmy goat kids in the UK revealed that goats raised together developed similar calls. This suggests that a goat's social environment plays a significant role in shaping its vocal patterns, adding another layer of intrigue to their communicative abilities. Scientists believe this adaptability could be a sign of higher cognitive function than previously thought. The Internet phenomenon. Fainting and screaming goats owe much of their global fame to the Internet. Videos of goats collapsing after being startled or screaming in a way that sounds oddly human have spread like wildfire across social media platforms. These clips are often edited for comedic effect, such as pairing goat screams with Christmas carols or popular songs, amplifying their entertainment value. Some of the most popular goat videos have garnered millions of views, turning these quirky creatures into online celebrities. While it's easy to view these videos as lighthearted fun, it's important to remember that these behaviors stem from specific biological and environmental factors. In the case of fainting goats, their dramatic falls are a result of a genetic condition that requires responsible care and management. Similarly, goats' vocalizations are a natural part of their communication and shouldn't be taken out of context. The viral popularity of these goats has also sparked debates about animal welfare. Some critics argue that the humor derived from their behaviors can overshadow the importance of ensuring their health and happiness. As their fame grows, it's crucial to balance entertainment with ethical treatment. The role of stress in goat behavior. Fainting goats' susceptibility to startle-induced stiffening can make them more vulnerable to stress than other breeds. It's crucial for owners to minimize stressors in their environment to ensure their well-being. For instance, keeping them in calm, secure surroundings and avoiding frequent startling events can help reduce unnecessary distress. This also includes providing plenty of space for movement and ensuring they have a stable social group. Similarly, screaming goats' vocalizations are often a response to specific stimuli, such as hunger or separation from the herd. Understanding these triggers and responding appropriately can improve the animal's quality of life. Ensuring that goats have consistent access to food, water, and shelter, along with regular interaction, can help them feel secure and content. Their happiness and well-being are closely tied to how well their needs are met. Fascinating goat facts. Goats are fascinating creatures with remarkable traits, particularly in their communication and adaptability. They possess an impressive range of vocalizations tailored to specific needs, using their calls to maintain strong social bonds within their herd, showcasing their intelligence and emotional depth. Like humans, goats can adapt their vocal behaviors to suit their social environment, reflecting their cognitive complexity and sociability. Unique genetic traits, such as the recessive gene causing Myotonia congenita in fainting goats, add to their intrigue. Crossbreeding often prevents this condition, preserving their distinctive identity. Interestingly, fainting goats experience no lasting harm from their dramatic falls unless they faint from a dangerous height, demonstrating their resilience and making them even more captivating. Goats in the spotlight. The fame of fainting and screaming goats underscores the Internet's power to turn even the quirkiest natural phenomena into global sensations. Their viral popularity has not only entertained millions, but also sparked curiosity and a deeper appreciation for the diversity of animal behavior. By turning these goats into household names, the Internet has helped bring attention to their unique traits and the importance of their care. By understanding the science behind their peculiarities, we can move beyond the laughs and memes to appreciate the fascinating biology of these animals. Whether it's the inherited muscle condition that causes Tennessee fainting goats to stiffen or the social dynamics influencing goat vocalizations, these behaviors remind us of the complexity and wonder of the natural world. Their fame has even inspired documentaries and educational programs, bringing their story to an even wider audience. Caring for goats. If you are considering keeping fainting or screaming goats, it's essential to understand their unique needs. For fainting goats, creating a safe environment free from high platforms or steep drops can prevent injuries during fainting episodes. Regular veterinary care and a nutritious diet are also crucial for maintaining their health. That's all for today's video. If you found this journey into the world of fainting and screaming goats fascinating, why not stick around for more amazing animal stories? Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for your regular dose of fun, science, and surprising facts about the natural world.